I'm telling you this for free. For those who are not taking the red app seriously, you have to begin to take the red app seriously from now henceforth. Honestly, the type of results I saw, by a particular job I got on Saturday, I created a channel for somebody and optimized, created a Facebook page for somebody and optimized, I created an international TikTok and optimized for the person. Guys, the amazing results on the red app is mind-blowing. We posted the first video and the algorithm was like, welcome. And the second video, God has given her close to more than 100 subscribers as I'm speaking to you now. Let me show you proof and evidence. So guys, as I was saying, this is the channel. 3 days. Result of 3 days. Just 2 videos that have been posted. And this particular video went viral. I was the one who did the thumbnail, the designs and everything. Who optimized this channel. I'm trying to open the video now so you see it. Video has gotten a lot of reactions. See comments. See now. Let me open comment section for you. Are you seeing comment section? Comment Sakpa. In fact, you will reply to comment and you will get tired. It's just like preparation and opportunity. This lady is a crypto enthusiast and she has been gathering this knowledge for years. And at this point in time, she just contacted me. I want to begin a channel. And boom, you could see the result. Guys, is this not incredible? This is really, really incredible. Honestly, starting a YouTube channel in 2026,
I'm telling you this for free,
should be one of your year's ambition.
the red app seriously,
What are you waiting for?
you have to begin to take the red app seriously.
With one video or 2 videos, your channel can just blow.
Honestly,
And YouTube money is oil money. I'm telling you the truth. You begin to cash out on YouTube.
job I got on
It's not like any other
Saturday.
platform.
I created a channel
YouTube
for
is
somebody
the
and
odogu
optimized,
of them all.
page for somebody
If you want to
optimized. I
create a
created
channel,
international TikTok and
optimize, you want to manage
Guys,
your channel,
the amazing
TikTok,
results on the
your
red app
Facebook.
is mind-blowing.
That's why I'm always
We posted the
here.
first video and the algorithm was like, welcome. And the second video, God
WhatsApp
has
via
given her close to
090
more than 100
63
subscribers as I'm speaking to you now.
466.
Let me show you proof and evidence.